I'm going to walk you through the best app to buy DeFi and crypto in Australia and New Zealand, how to install the Independent Reserve mobile app, set up, verify your account, and make your first trade. Be sure to like and subscribe for our latest content and exclusive offers. In the last few years, tokens that help power decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, have become increasingly popular. Decentralized finance is one of the most important topics in cryptocurrency. The aim of DeFi is to create an entirely new financial system, completely independent of the traditional financial system. The aspects of cryptocurrency, such as cryptography, smart contracts, and blockchain technology, allow this system of decentralized finance to exist for the global community to utilize. Most DeFi tokens are linked to DeFi protocols, which, in some instances, are governed almost entirely by their community of users, meaning there is no central organization determining its actions or direction. The first DeFi project to receive traction, MakerDAO, was created in 2015 on top of the Ethereum blockchain. MakerDAO allows any user to lock Ethereum via smart contracts and generate DAI, a stable coin pegged to the US dollar. There are now hundreds of DeFi tokens available, some being Chainlink, Uniswap, Maker, The Graph, Synthetics, and many more. What's the best app to buy crypto in Australia and New Zealand? We use Independent Reserve. It is one of Australia's oldest and most trusted crypto exchanges. Their mobile app makes the process of buying crypto, securing your wallet, and tracking your portfolio a breeze. Independent Reserve is our choice over the likes of CoinSpot, SwiftX, or BTC markets. Independent Reserve has some of the lowest fees in the industry, starting from 0.5%. With the competition, you would pay around 2 to 10 times more per transaction. You wouldn't pay 2 to 10 times more for petrol, so why pay 2 to 10 times more in crypto fees? Independent Reserve is an inclusive exchange catering to everyone from beginners to expert investors, businesses, and self-managed super funds. They offer 24/7 support and world-class certified secure underground vaults to protect your crypto. The mobile app is super easy to use and includes some powerful tools such as dollar cost averaging, buy and sell limit orders, through to stop loss mechanics. They have partnered with KPMG to develop their built-in tax estimator to make managing your tax records a breeze. How to buy DeFi tokens. Firstly, head over to the Apple or Google Play Store to install the Independent Reserve mobile app on your phone. Then simply sign up, create, and verify your account. If you don't have an Independent Reserve account yet, click here to watch our video on how to set up an account. It's a simple process. Today, we're going to walk you through the simplest way to place a DeFi token order. You will first need to deposit money into your account. So to do that, go to the Wallet tab on the bottom and choose Quick Deposit. You have a couple of deposit options to choose from. Today, I'm going to use PayID via Roscoe for a same-day deposit of Australian dollars. Just hit the Deposit tab in the Independent Reserve mobile app. Choose the deposit type. As you can see, there are several deposit options here. I chose Australian dollars and then followed the prompts for PayID, which gives me the relevant details I need to deposit funds from my bank account. In my internet banking app, I entered the Independent Reserve deposit details via Roscoe, including the amount, and my balance is pretty much topped up straight away. We can now go ahead and place a market order. A market order is an order placed at the current market price. Your order will go straight to the market maker and match you with a seller at the market price. To purchase a DeFi token, simply choose your desired token that is DeFi based. Today, I'll be purchasing Uniswap. Go to the Market tab on the bottom left, either scroll and find the coin or search for Uniswap. Once you click on Uniswap, click buy and enter the amount of Australian dollars you want to trade, or enter the amount of Uniswap you want to purchase. Today, I'm going to buy $50 worth of Uniswap. Click done and then buy, and then click place order. It's as simple as that. Your order will be placed into the market and be filled at the market price. You will get a settlement confirmation that the order has been placed successfully. You will also see that your account balance and holdings values are updated to reflect your purchase. Now that I have purchased some Uniswap, I can click on the portfolio button to bring up a list of my current holdings, their value, charts, and more. You can easily browse token charts with a 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or by all-time view. You can also click on the History tab to view your order history. When you want to sell your Uniswap, it's as easy as selecting Uniswap from the Portfolio tab, then clicking Sell. From here, you can enter the amount of token to sell in the top field. Hoochie mama! It's as easy as that to place your first DeFi trade. We have partnered with Independent Reserve on an exclusive offer of a $10 credit to our viewers. Click the link in the description to claim your $10 credit today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you're planning to invest in. See you next time.